Zimbabwe.
And my mother's been there. She went on crocodile-infested waters, and she rung a bell, and they just run the bath for her. The servants are marvellous.
Oh.
I love you to bits, all of you.
Yeah.
You're lovely people, and I'm not racist either.
No.
You know.
Yeah, I
You
know.
enjoy your holiday. Take a picture of us.
Yeah.
He's filming you.
Is it? That's all right. Famous at last.
Yeah, we're just posting videos to aware the people of the world that Zimbabwe used to be the breadbasket of
I
Africa.
thought perhaps you were from Africa. My friend's been to Africa. He called the elephants to stop them poaching the ivory.
Yeah. There's so many
How long are
pictures
you
of
here
that.
for?
We're here. We're located here.
Oh,
Yeah,
I see.
now they
Yeah.
stop.
Happy holidays. Am I
Yeah,
in the
they
picture
Yeah.
with your friend?
Now it's getting better now.
What's your name? Name?
Jovan.
What?
It's Jovan. Jovan?
Jovan. And what's your friend's name?
They are.
It's called Mr.
They are.
Rusike.
Mr. Rusike.
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah, so I'm trying just to remind
you're
people
lovely
that
people,
they
like
must
your
leave
toast.
Zimbabwe
Thank you,
because
thank
they are
you.
under dictatorship. Since the British government left, we never had anything.
Where are you staying?
I'm here in London.
Are you staying in London? Lovely.
Yeah.
Have you seen Buckingham Palace?
Yeah, I've been
I'll
here
go
for
to
years
London.
now.
I'll
Okay.
go to London.
You are going to London?
Not today, but I do go to London.
Oh, right.
I like the fashion there.
Yeah,
Because the clothes at Marks and Spencer's are a bit funky.
Yeah, I'm always there. So I'm just showing the people.
Anyway, Maxine, nice to meet you. And
Nice
this
to
is
meet you.
Dennis.
Oh, Dennis, yeah? Nice to meet you, Dennis.
Enjoy your holiday.
I'm Rusike. Yeah, from
Rusike,
Zimbabwe. Yeah.
lovely.
Yeah, thank
Yeah,
you
we
very much.
love you dearly.
Yeah, I
Look
love you
after
too.
those servants in Zimbabwe.